Kaya
Yan,
ko
go.
dito.
Oh, go!
How do you like my outfit?
Hanggang ganun, no?
You know what is so nice here? Oh, look at
Look.
my son and there, oh. I like
So, that's the yate.
That's the yate.
Yate.
That
He.
yeah, it's nice, you know. Ang hapdi-hapdi na ng face ko. Huh?
Si Teacher Jo lang naman na nasa dagat. Tayo! Yan ay ang model lang naman namin.
Hey, dugay pa ba to?
Instant model. Lapit ko dito.
Nice the water.
Nice is the water, no?
Nice, so clear. And you know what?
Gosh, you know, this girl lang naman, instant model.
Yeah. Now I like the corals a lot.
Di ba?
First time in my life. It's my 26th year, and then, you know, my first year that I was able to see a real coral. Grabe, under the water, it's a 60 feet, I guess. 60 feet
Oh,
deep.
60 feet ata. Tapos
Like
20 feet yung malapit.
Yeah, and it's very, very, very,
Yeah.
very deep. And you know what? So excited. You've got to try it.
Okay, now let's go. Tahan natin yung dalawang nandoon na nakaupo. Oh. Go.
Hi. Hi. I'm glad to be here, and you know, there's no place like this in Jensen.
Yeah.
Talaga, I really want to go back to the water
tubing.
Very, very much. But I also like the view there. Under
Lalo
the
na
water.
yung coral.
I really like
This
it,
is the souvenir here in
Kaso
Camp.
lang,
It's
Hindi ko like yung
Where's
yung amoy ng
Kip-Kip?
rubber.
Ay, Kip-Kip.
Kakaingit.
Kip-Kip.
So, mamatay kayo sa inggit, ha?
Ulitin mo.
Mamatay kayo sa inggit.
Yeah!
Mga model na po kami. Mark that
and
one.
Mark
Yes.
our words. We're model.
Ilalagay namin yan sa bulletin board.
Alam mo ba?
Yes.
Alam mo ba? Itong ganitong braso namin naging model.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Amazing! Kami?
Yeah.
Sige. Mga tao.
Grace, sayang wala siya. You like some?
Well, yung frustrated model lang namin.
Yeah.
Yan kasi.
Yan kasi.
Diba? Tagandagan silang dua. Bulin mo ako.
Ang awa ng hair ko.
Hey, how'd you like my outfit,
Ang braso. Ako po, maitim na, di ba? Maitim na ako. Maitim
Ako rin,
na.
oh.
Titikit saan?
Oh. Lingo kayo na.
Makakanagan na rin ako.
Okay. Last 60 seconds. Ha.
Hi, Grace.
I'm hungry already. I'm tired.
Tapos? I'm so maitim.
Alam mo, nakakapagod pala maging model. Grabe, ang pagod. Ayun, meron pa. Agay!
Nana, coming na ang model. Ang
Yeah,
career na career, pag mo-model, pero hindi ko.
Oh!
Sugatan pa siya. Yeah.
Oh.
Hindi lang. Feeling yung photographer.
Ako hindi man nakita yung, hindi man ako picturean, pero yung pangalan ko sana lumabas. Please.
Huwag mo akong
Alam mo, nakakapagod pala. Nakakapagod pala maging model. Di ba teacher staff? Sana lumabas yung name natin. Yeah. Name na. Kahit
May pangalan kami doon.